Highest qualification is MA in English from NEHU in the year 2016. After that, I've had experiences in teaching. Then, unfortunately, because of the lockdown, I couldn't go back to my job, and even the project in Assam, Hojai, as I was told, they could not recover it. So that was the main reason that I lost my job. So ever since till then, I've applied for many jobs. I went for many interviews also. But then, unfortunately, it was not my luck. Or I should say that maybe it is the problem of the professors who are taking interviews, because the professors from NEHU, they always come to take interview. They know me very well. There are times that I'm able to answer also most of the questions. But what I feel is that, they don't really want to give me an opportunity to perform activities as part of my educational career. Or is it because they can't convince the colleges or the educational centers authorities for me to be able to to be part and to work in their institute or in their schools or colleges. But I have faced lots of interviews in most of the colleges here in Meghalaya, in Shillong. So the last option for me is that I have one son. He's only 2 years old, so I have to work for him. I have to feed him. So the last option for me is that I have to end up here in market selling towels, and even that I could not work for the whole day here in market. I have to come only either morning time or either afternoon, because my helper, she is also doing her classes, so I have to wait till her classes got over. So either morning time or either afternoon time. So it's just only an hour or 2 hours for me to earn here in the market.